This is Farron from Affordable Upgrades, and I'm so excited. One of my girlfriends asked me to go house hunting with her today. Whenever somebody asks me to help them to go shopping, you want my opinion on your dollar and I don't have to spend any money? Duh. So we're gonna go look at houses all over Charlotte today. Some are resales, some are new sales, or new builds, and I'm really excited to see what she's looking for and to get some inspiration maybe for our house, and come back with a whole list of projects for Dave to do, and he's just gonna love that. Looking at houses is a really great way to get ideas for your house, whether it's just how the house is staged with their furniture and their colors and their patterns, or to get ideas for really affordable upgrades like the laundry room, maybe a chair rail in the dining room, backsplash for your kitchen. Really simple ways and affordable ways to upgrade your space, so you fall in love with where you live. So I'm here with Chelsea, and she's super excited to go house hunting today. So let's talk about the top 3 things that she's looking for when buying a house. What's super important to you?
A yard for my dog.
Mm-hmm.
A kitchen with cabinets, because right now I have a very small kitchen and it kills me. And either a 3rd bedroom or a dedicated workspace because I work from home.
And we're looking at the new build first. Look how pretty. It's in a brand new neighborhood. And so we're going to be able to get a lot of ideas on upgrades and new finishes. And she's going to be able to customize her house and make it what she wants. So stay tuned for how it goes. Say good luck! Whether you're looking at a new build, buying a resale, or renovating your current space, an open floor plan is always the way to go. It's a great way to make your space feel bigger, brighter, and gives your home that warm and welcoming feeling. If you're renovating your current space, widening a doorway or taking out non-weight-bearing walls are ways to achieve this look. I recommend contacting a professional or someone you know with experience in case you hit a snag with electrical or the foundation. I love this living room setup and the neutral color palette they used. Neutral furniture makes it super easy to change your color scheme in the future by switching up your throw pillows and decor without spending a lot of money. This kitchen's focal point is definitely the beautiful wood cabinets. Remodeling a kitchen can cost anywhere between $8,000 and $12,000, so painting your cabinets can save you a big chunk of change. It's a lot of work to sand, prime, and paint cabinets, but the end result is rewarding and your bank account will thank you later. My favorite idea I took from the new build was definitely this accent wall. It can be easily achieved by using wood framing and wood glue or a nail gun to apply, and really dresses up the room. This is on our project to-do list, so stay tuned for our future accent wall. The last part of this house that I really liked was the master bedroom wall across from the bed. Often in a master bedroom, there's a large wall that you just don't know what to do with. And I love the idea of having this dresser, mirror, and accent chair to take up the space while still looking classy and simple. So we just got done at the new build. How do you feel?
Overwhelmed. So many options.
Really pretty, lots of options because you can literally choose everything. So now we're on our way to a resale, but it's not going to be as pretty as the new build.
I was supposed to go this way.
So
I have to redo that.
if we don't get lost, stay tuned for pictures of the resale. In the first resale, I loved the kitchen cabinets and the backsplash. The hardware on the cabinets and the herringbone or chevron backsplash really dress up this white and gray kitchen and take subway tiles to the next level. In the second resale, this double oven and miniature vent hood make this space feel high class and luxurious, and was achieved without tearing out any of the existing cabinets. Win-win. This dreamy backyard was the last inspirational area on our house hunting that is attainable on a budget. Flower boxes, a fire pit area, and a raised patio make this yard an entertainment oasis or a great space for your furry friends. I hope you enjoyed house hunting with us today, and I hope you got some really great ideas for some affordable upgrades that you can accomplish in your space, or just some decor ideas by looking at the new build and the resale homes. So if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. We're going to try to be posting videos of our projects and things that we do to get inspiration for our house. Maybe like once a month. Hopefully I can get David in our next video, and he can kind of let you guys know how he does his projects and how he comes up with what he comes up with. So thanks for tuning in, and hit subscribe below. Bye!